Hello and good morning, ma'am. My name is Daniela Gimanas Barrios from the SIS 1C. Which language is closest to machine code? My answer is C, Assembly. A special program that assembles assembly code into machine code with the CPU. Which translates high-level code into machine code? My answer is B, compiler. Is like a translator between you to what does ID stand for? My answer B. Integrated Development Environment is a software application that provides programming. Which is an example of a high-level language? My answer is B, Java. Java programs can run on any device. Is based hardware